learning window. In the first sentence, the apostrophe, along with S next to the naming word, Adil, shows possession. It shows that the pencil box belongs to Adil. In the second sentence, the apostrophe, along with S next to the naming word, parrot, shows that the wings belong to the parrot. In the third sentence, the apostrophe, along with S next to the naming word Suhani, shows that the bag belongs to Suhani. When we want to show that something is owned by someone or belongs to someone, we use apostrophe and S. Apostrophes are usually not used with non-living things. We do not say the table's legs or the cup's handle. Instead, we say the legs of the table and the handle of the cup.